What do you want, Georgie?
Lemon.
Drinking lemon? Put down the milk. Good. Here's the lemon.
Very hot.
It's not hot. Sour?
Sour.
Drinking lemon.
Open it.
It's open. Drink it. It's like a sippy cup of doom.
Doom.
Yes. Here, you drink it like this. Here. Lift it up. Like this. Up. Big up.
Pick up.
Here.
Lemon.
Do you want to drink it? Here you go.
Big one.
No. Here, you ready? Sour. Do you like it?
Milk.
I wouldn't.
And milk. Lovely milk.
Lovely milk. Do you prefer milk?